Hey,
how are ya?
good. Do you live here?
Yeah, I do.
Would you mind showing me your dorm?
Totally, let's go. Okay, this is where I sleep. This one's my bed, and then these are my two roommates' beds. This is where I study, and this is our humongous closet because there's 3 girls living in here. And then this is our bathroom. There's a huge vanity with 2 sinks, and there's a shower and toilet over there. And then a shower and toilet right here. And then if you follow me out here, this is my roommate's bedroom, but we can't go in there right now. This is our living room. And then this is our dining room and kitchen area. My roommate's making